Alright, we're going to replace the rear brakes in a 22 Ram 1500. I've already retracted the electronic park brake. I'll put a link in the video on how to do that. And I always disconnect them after it's retracted. One time I had, I don't know, a short or something, and the caliper came back out. Anyways, you're going to start with a T30 to remove the bolt that holds on the rotor. From there, you're going to need a 12 mil to remove both the slider bolts, and you're going to need a 21 to remove both saddle bolts. So I'll get those removed and then I'll show you what I do next. Alright, now with the slider bolts removed, we're going to take and push our caliper back. We're going to go all the way back with it. So we're going to pop off two 21s now for the saddle bolt, and we're going to get the saddle cleaned up. And I always use premium brand coated rotors. We're in Nova Scotia and a lot of stuff likes to rust, so this helps with the outer edges anyways, not rusting. But we'll get those on right now. Alright, we're going to put on a set of adaptive ones. They're a Napa brand. And they actually have an inner and outer pad designated. This is not sponsored by Napa. I've just always had great luck with them. Now some people will lube the back of the pads, and others decide to use like a sticky disc brake. So I've always had good luck with the sticky disc brake. We just spray the back of them. We'll let that tack up while we put the rest of it together. Okay, you can actually see right on these ones, it says outer, it says inner. And they're specially designed to wear properly, with the difference of the caliper being there and just steel on this side. But anyways, we get the tackiness on there. We get everything lubed up, because in Nova Scotia here, everything likes to rust really well. And we are about to put the caliper back on. And that's it for this side. Don't forget to plug it in if you unplug that. And I will go finish up the other side, and we'll finish this video off showing how to reactivate the actuators. Alright, so I just finished up the other side, put it back down on the ground, put tires back on, and we just got to turn off the brake maintenance. So how we do that is we turn the key on to run, put our foot on the brake, and pull the park brake. Let off the brake, and just let it continue till it stops making noise. And that's it. You're all done. Pump up the brake, and you're good to go. Please like and subscribe for future videos.